Dear students, today I am going to tell you compound interest. Compound interest. You see, there are two ways to find out compound interest. One is without using formula. Without using formula. And second method is by using formula. Without using formula, and second method is by using formula. So there are two ways, there are two methods to find out compound interest. So first of all, I am going to tell you how will you get compound interest without using formula. Okay? Without using formula. Without using formula. Suppose take an example, principal is equal to rupees 300, rate is equal to 5% per annum, and time is equal to 2 years. Time is equal to 2 years. You have to find out compound interest without using formula. So first of all, you find out interest for first year. Interest for first year. First year. Interest for first year, like this, PRT upon 100. P is 300 into R is 5 into T is 1 for first year. For first year you will write T is equal to 1. Now simplify that. 5 3 15. So 15 rupees. This is interest for first year. Now amount you find out. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Principal plus interest. Principal is 300. So 300 plus 15. That is 315 rupees. Now you have to find out for 2 years. Compound interest for 2 years. So now interest for second year. Interest for second year. Second year. That is equal to PRT upon 100. Same formula. In place of P, this amount 315 will become principal for second year. So 315 into R is 5% into T 1 upon 100. So in this way you can simplify it, multiply these two. $315 into 5, that is 1,575 upon 100. So it will become 15.75. So this is interest for second year. Now amount for second year. Amount is equal to this 315 plus 15.75. 315 plus 15.75. It will become 330.75 rupees. 330.75 rupees. Now compound interest interest will be amount minus principal. Amount minus principal means 330.75 minus principal is 300. So answer is 30.75. This is your answer. In this way you can find out compound interest without using formula. This is without using formula. First of all, you got interest for first year, and then you have added that interest with principal. You got amount for first year. That amount for first year will become principal for second year. So you get interest for second year also, and then amount for second year, and then compound interest is equal to A minus B, amount minus principal, 330 minus 0.75 minus this initial amount that is 300. So 330.75 minus 300, that is 30.75. So this is the compound interest for 2 years. Okay, thank you.